So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can back up your Android device. Now this is a pretty important thing because at points of time you may want to kind of, have a backup of all your contacts or maybe your phone gallery and stuff like that. And it's pretty important to know of the various different ways that you can do this. So without wasting further time, let's look at the steps that you need to take to back up your Android device. Let's continue. So in this setup, we have a Samsung M30s, which we want to backup. There are more than one ways to do this. I highly recommend taking cloud backup or taking the USB backup. Cloud backups are great because when you use different phones, you can always retrieve those backups from the cloud. But one thing to note while taking cloud backups, especially Google, is that you don't actually get to have backup of your phone pictures or videos or stuff like that, even SMSs. So I highly recommend like taking USB backup. We will be looking at how that's done. But first the Google thing. So on your phone, first set up your Google account. The way you do that is by going to settings and just adding up a Google account. That's your Gmail ID, and you will be having access to all Google products, which include the G Drive. Now, once that's done, go to account and backup and like go to backup and restore and ensure that your Google account backup my data is selected to on or turned on to on. Now what this means is like if you see my Google account was been linked to my this certain Gmail, if I click on this, anytime like on this device anything is being used, app data, call history, contacts and all those things are getting backed up to my Google Drive linked to this Gmail account. So like if I want to do it even right now, what I can do is I can click on backup now. What this means is that this device, my Samsung M30, like all those things that you saw, like including app data, call history and stuff like that, is getting backed up to my Google Drive. Actually, if I open up my Google Drive right now, you will see like inside my drive, there is something called as like backups, and all the backups that we are taking is actually getting stored here. Like all the devices and everything is getting backed up, and it's getting backed up to the same Google Drive here, right? So once this thing gets backed up and like, we were doing this, right? So I just took a backup just a few moments back. Once the device has been backed up, what happens is on any other phone, suppose we have set up the Google account. So on this particular phone, suppose the Google account has been set. So I can simply log into my Google account. And if I see there is this thing called a setup and restored, going there, I can click on restore contacts. This takes some time. So don't expect this to immediately happen. And you can see like the devices which have been backed up in this way. And they have all like the data from there has gone to the Google Drive, and which is the same Google Drive for all of them because they are on the same Google account. So if I click on any of the device, what it tells me to do, this is private, put a screen lock, and then like if you see, I can easily go ahead and click on restore contacts. So like this is a great way of retrieving contacts. Unfortunately, this doesn't really work for SMSs or stuff like that. You can sync contacts, do various other things, but that's all to it. So this thing is like taking off your backup in your Google Drive. Let's look at the USB way of things. So all phones come with a charger, and the charger has a data cable to it. So you can just remove the data cable, insert one end of the cable onto the phone and the other end onto the USB port on your system. So once that's done, like check to your system for the phone to be recognized. Now here you can see that the phone has been recognized. If prompted for transfer access, please go ahead and approve that on your device. So just open up the phone and you will see everything here is there, like all the data and everything. So just click on Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl C to copy all, and then like create a folder on your PC. So like typically I would be doing this on my F drive. So simply have a folder like say maybe Android data, and then like go ahead and paste all of this. So basically this is a great way because doing this, all your phone data is getting transferred. Once done, you can unplug the original Android, put in the new phone which you want to backup suppose, and like in the new phone then you simply have to like go ahead and transfer these files. But while doing that, just be careful that you put in the files to their respective folders. So this I believe is a more better way of like transferring data from like one phone to another phone. But however, today's tutorial was on how to take phone backups. I really advise you to go ahead and take like backup in your Google Drive, maybe your Samsung Cloud, and maybe having as many cloud backups as possible. And then again, put in the habit of having USB complete backup of your phone device as well. Hopefully today's tutorial helps. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications so that you may keep on getting notifications as and when we make such type of tutorials. Thank you.